Do you think that time travel is possible? Imagine if you could go visit the King of Rome or take a spaceship to 2140 AD. You would think nonsense, science fiction, but time travel is possible. With the use of objects with tons of mass, wormholes, and the theory of relativity. Imagine if you had a rope, and let's say that the rope represents time. If you pull a ball on a rope, then the rope will curve, making a U-shape. The U-shape in the rope means time slows down in that area, depending how much mass it has. The Great Pyramid is a great example of an object with a big mass. However, the Great Pyramid does not slow enough time. We need a bigger mass. A better example is a black hole, which is made up of a collapsed star and contains tons of mass. Well, if we can somehow get a spaceship to orbit the black hole without getting sucked in, approximately 3 weeks in orbit will take up 100 years in Earth. The bigger the mass, the more time it slows. The next method is using wormholes, which is a shortcut in time. This might be the only method that we can travel back in time. A definition of a wormhole is a portal that is a shortcut through time and space, including past time. So how does this work? If you put point A and point B on a piece of paper and fold it, the distance will be much shorter between those 2 points. Now let me tell you one of the many paradoxes this time travel to the past has. Imagine if Mr. Tilly had a wormhole that the time is behind by 1 minute, and he can see his reflection from the past. He wants to put the impossible to the test by shooting himself through the wormhole. And he fires. Do you get it? It does not make any sense. If Mr. Tilly was dead 1 minute ago, then who shot the gun to kill Mr. Tilly? That's why time travel to the past may not be possible, sadly. Wait, there's still one more method for time travel, which is called relativity. Special relativity slows down time once you get close enough to the speed of light. Imagine if you had a spacecraft that can travel in the speed of light. As the spacecraft is orbiting the Earth, time will start to slow down. If someone was looking up at your window from Earth, it would seem like you're moving really slowly inside your spacecraft, but you don't feel the slowness of time. If you look outside your window of the spacecraft, you'll see the Earth moving really fast, like if someone said like 10 times the speed in a camera. As you get closer and closer to the speed of light, time will flow slowly for you. In the end, if you traveled 2 weeks on the spacecraft, 100 years would have passed in Earth. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something new about time travel. Thank you.